Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about the plugins. What plugins are? Plugin is the thing which we can use platform independent task to do something like pressing home button on our phone or volume button. We do something. Come to this website pub.dev and here search for the plugins you want. For example, system shortcut. Enter system shortcut, copy system shortcut from here or press on this icon. You can copy it and go back to Visual Studio Code and come to the pubspec.yaml file. Here you can put anywhere, like I want to put below the Cupertino icon, Control V, and here is my plugin, and Control Asset. If there is no error, then we can use our plugin on our code. So there is no any problem. Go to your main. As we know, we have main and stateful widget and our build method. Here is a scaffold, app bar, and a text in app bar. So let's go create a body below the app bar, body, and center widget, and a child elevated button. It has on press method, and for now we don't want to do anything inside. And it has a title which has a text, comma, child text, home. Control S. Here is our home button in our screen. Now we are going to implement the system shortcut on this button. When we click on this button, it should go to home. It do the job of our home button on our device. So let's implement on its click inside. According to the site instruction, we can go to the usage. How we can use a button, a flat button. Now it is deprecated. We used elevated button instead, a child home, and on press there is async and await, and this is the shortcut, the system shortcut dot home. So we will talk later about async await in a detail. For now we use this command for doing our home job. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code and put an async here and await and system shortcut dot home. Here is our code, and let's run it. Let's save. Now when we are going to click on this button, now our app goes minimized, and let's click again on the home button and we can bring it up again. So this is it in this video. Now I hope that you learned something from this video, and see you on the next lecture.